Welcome to this quick tutorial on how to adjust the visibility of your last name on LinkedIn. Whether you're looking to maintain a bit of privacy or simply want to control who sees your full name, LinkedIn offers a straightforward way to manage this setting. First, open the LinkedIn app on your device. Once you're logged in, you'll see a variety of icons and options at the top of the screen. Look for the Me icon, which is typically located at the top left corner. Tap on this icon to access your profile settings. Next, navigate to Settings and Privacy. This section allows you to customize various aspects of your LinkedIn experience, including how your information is displayed to others. Scroll down until you find the Visibility option and tap on it. In the Visibility section, you'll see several options related to who can view different parts of your profile. The one we're interested in is who can see your last name. Click on this option to adjust the visibility settings for your last name. Here you have a few choices regarding who can see your full last name. You can choose to show it to everyone, which means anyone on LinkedIn can see your full name. Alternatively, you can limit visibility to your connections, your first and second degree connections, or even no one. If you prefer to keep your last name private, make your selection based on your comfort level and professional needs. Once you've made your changes, ensure you save them so they take effect immediately. Adjusting your last name visibility on LinkedIn is a simple yet effective way to manage your online presence. Whether you're looking to enhance your professional network or maintain a level of privacy, these settings give you the flexibility to do so. By following these steps, you can ensure that your LinkedIn profile reflects your personal and professional preferences accurately. Thanks for watching, and we hope this tutorial has been helpful in managing your LinkedIn profile settings.